All right, as some of you may know, my entire life has been a intense and futile search for foot comfort, and I've done some videos comparing different brands of socks. So apparently somebody from Strideline saw one of those videos and said, hey, would you review our sock? And here it says it's the most comfortable sock on earth. So I said, yeah, I'll do that. So they sent me some socks to try. So I'm going to unbox this package, and we're going to see what they sent. Nice. All right, so it looks like we've got some over-the-calf, maybe, size socks. That's kind of what I told them I preferred. These do look pretty interesting here. Wow, white ones, black ones, and wow. Okay, so we got six. They sent 6 pairs of socks. That's fantastic. So, all right, let's take a look at these. So I guess the white will probably show up on camera better. So it looks like there's some stitching here for the arch. Similar to like the Bombas had that like honeycomb. These look like, wow, looks like there's some on the side walls and a nice stretch here. These are impressive. The toe box looks like it's reinforced, as does the heel. And this looks like your, standard kind of ribbing up the sides. So we'll see how well these guys hold up. It does say, does have Strideline right on the, it looks like that'll be on the, like the surface of your foot. So if your foot's like this, it looks like the sock goes in like this. So that'll be right on top, so everybody knows. And then look, they're designated right and left. That's pretty cool. This is the first time I've ever reviewed any socks that have a designated right and left. Boy, that's pretty cool. All right, looks like we just upped our game here, guys. So that's the unboxing video. That's what we've got. I'm going to go ahead and wear these to work tomorrow. And after an 8-hour shift on my feet, I will tell you how well they fared. So tune in for the preliminary review video, and then I'll do subsequent reviews as I wear the socks over time, see how they hold up. Although these look like they're pretty solidly built. I'm pretty impressed. And then we'll do a comparison between these and the other brands that I've already reviewed. So if you want to see any of those, you should subscribe in order to get updates on the following videos. And I'll link those videos together too in the description, so you'll be able to do that. So thank you, Strideline, for giving me the opportunity to review these socks. And full disclosure, I did not pay for these socks. These socks were given to me. So will that influence my opinion? Well, I'm human. Probably. I feel pretty excited about this opportunity. But to tell you the truth, these really look amazing. So we'll give you as unbiased a review as possible, being that I am human and just got some pretty awesome free socks. So keep that in mind, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Give it a like and subscribe. That really helps the channel. So thanks a lot, guys. See you later.